Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope everyone is doing well. Um, Hope everyone is getting ready for the weekend. It is Friday. Got a pretty good weekend coming up. We have a rib fest in the area out here. I always enjoy the rib fest. Um, I'll be spending that with the family. Just staying busy outside as well. But at the same time, hunting, right? It's what we do. Um, got quite a bit of stuff. Yeah, I've been collecting it for the past week. Some new stuff, Walmart, Target stuff, and a lot of, if you've seen my Instagrams, antique mall and garage sales, Goodwill. Yeah, a lot of stuff is coming out now. Um, More stuff there than at Target and Walmart. Yeah, but and I like it. It's opened. They're loose. A lot less in price. Yeah. Let me show you first what I got at the Walmart and Target stuff. With the green light, we got this 2013 Chevy Silverado. Pretty cool. Where am I going to put these? In the Hot Pursuit, the 83 Dodge Diplomat. I'm going to try to go fast. I don't want to take too long. Rather show the older stuff that I found. I did pick up the this set here. Awesome truck there. The Bronco. Alright. In the main line of Hot Wheels, I did pick up the 63 Studebaker Champ. Cool color. See if I get around to it. I got a lineup of wheel swaps I gotta do or that I want to do. That might be in line. I did pick up the 70 Dodge Charger, the Tune. That's pretty cool. Picked up this Ford 69 Ford F100 Ranger 4x4 in the kit. M2. Got two sets of wheels there. One obviously going on the truck, but I get an extra set here. Look at the size of those tires. Very nice. Yep, I likes it. I likes it a lot. And this 74 Chevy Blazer K5. And same thing there. The wheels, awesome wheels. So I get an extra set of wheels there. So in a way, it's not bad. Pay $5 for a set of wheels, and then $5 for an actual diecast, right? I like it. Good deal. Yeah, because the price is a $10, 9 something, so it's $10. So that said, that was the new stuff. Oh, hold on. Did pick up a couple of character cars. Oh, I did get the Greenwood 76 Greenwood, the new one. Okay. But I did pick up the Pixar Wall-E. That's pretty cool. I thought maybe I'd use it as a little garbage truck in the on the diorama, maybe. That's pretty cool. And here's the Johnny Lightning Ford Ranger 85. This one I'm thinking of, I will keep the same wheels, but I might take them off and just slide them underneath the base just to give it that lifted look. I think it looked pretty cool. And this one, the Shrek truck, I thought that was cool. A little bit of a touch up here and there, some wheel swaps. What else can be done? You know, just try to make it more realistic. I think it'd be a nice little oldie looking work truck. So we'll do that too. But in the Daytona Superbird series that I've been finding at my antique mall, yeah, this guy just keeps putting them out, so I think they're pretty cool. I like them. I like them for the collection. I'm gonna have to build a whole little shelf for these because I like these Hot Wheels. A Hot Wheels set here. Nice wheels on that. Actually, there were two of them, two twins. What I'm finding is some of these, yeah, they do have the rubber wheels, so that's cool. But what I like are the plain mantas, right? That's, yeah, plain mantas. These have racing wheels. Yeah, these are ready to race, man. I don't know if you remember the slot here. I did a video way back on the Johnny Lightning racetrack, which has a handle that you lock it. You put this on a hook, and wham, ram it, and it just takes off, and it does all the loops, comes back around. You catch it again, and you know, the harder you jam that lever, the faster it's gonna go. So those are pretty cool. Got several of these guys. Got this blue one. This darker blue one. Well, these are definitely racers. Metal on metal. Not bad. Let's see. Another white one. Picked up another white one like this. Okay, got this one. Nice colors on that. Rubber wheels. Time to pick up some more jammers too. Let's see. Got this red one. And yeah, most of them all have open hoods. More. I did pick up some stuff at a garage sale yesterday. That was pretty cool. This kid was just selling his stuff. I believe those are all the Daytonas and Superbirds. Oh, how about this? A zinger. This one I will leave as is and throw up on my shelf over there. Also, my favorite one, and this is going to be my next wheel swap, is this Camaro. Check that out. Just the whole color on this. Love it. Red interior. Not a big fan of those wheels, but I did order some wheels from Shop 164. I like that reflective stuff on there. Psychedelic. So I picked up wheels for my wheel swaps. Chrome with white lettered. I think I'm going to use this set on the Camaro here. It also has the smaller set. That's the smaller one. And then I did pick up a set, same rim, but just regular tire. The black wall. And then I picked up some off-road. Now these are just like a polished metal, which I kind of like. I can use them just like that, or I have the chrome liquid chrome pen. I can chrome them up. I can paint them white or black, whatever I want. I usually, those are the three main ones I use, is the black or the white or the chrome. But in this case, I can just leave it silver as well. Not a problem there. Alrighty. How about this one? Look at that. Antique mall. That's a cool one. The Scorcher. These are awesome wheels too. Let's see. Oh, didn't show this one. Metallic blue paint on that. Pretty cool. Garage sales, everything else. Yeah, garage sales, Goodwill. Bone shaker. I don't have this one yet. Cool to find the older ones. How about this set? It's a pretty cool set, Matchbox. Got this blue one and this white one. Very nice. Picked up this C10 Chevy truck. Come on, move up. Track's getting full. How about the Silverado? Seen this in gray. I don't think I have this green one. Can definitely do a wheel swap on that. About this muscle machine. Looks like a 57 Chevy, or 55 maybe. It's a 55 Chevy. That's pretty cool. Okay, we got this one. Pretty cool. This will look nice with some of those nice look at that. Got enough wheels, definitely. All right, let's see. How about these two guys? A couple of old tow trucks here. Matchbox. This one's missing one of the arms there. Not a problem. Matchbox. Garage sale. Yep. And how about these two guys? I've shown this one before because I have one. This is the second one I found. Kellogg's trucks. I now found the frosted mini wheats. Does have a broken headlight on there. And I found the Apple Jacks. That's pretty cool. Okay, let me see. Getting to the bottom. I didn't think I was going to get through all this, but you know what? There's not much anyway. How about this truck? Nice. Definitely need a wheel swap on this. All right. Double seater. Yep. Gotta pick that one up. Flames. Gotta have it. flames. Very nice. Plastic. I believe that is it, guys. Yep. Wow, I did get through it. Not bad. Well, 15 minutes later. Guys, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you, everyone. All my new subscribers. Thank you so much. Again, summer's here, so it has been a lot more busier outdoors. Just trying to do stuff and get stuff ready here. Just got myself a storage unit. I got to move all my stuff from the garage into the storage, which I can. It's a lot easier to go through there. I build these shelves that go into the storage where I can stack everything up instead of just piling everything on top of each other. I have some shelves to put everything up in, which just makes it easier for me to go through stuff and find stuff. But yeah, I'll be doing that this weekend along with the Rib Fest. Yeah, gonna enjoy that this weekend. You guys, I hope everyone has a great weekend. I hope you all have some exciting stuff to do, because you know what? All work and no play is no good. Yeah, find some time to play. Spend a lot of time with the family, with your kids, and just have fun, guys, and be safe. Be very safe, and most important, be good to one another. All right, guys, take care, and we'll see you guys next time.